So I want to put my 2 cents in this Jamaican versus Haitian beef. By the way, I'm Haitian. But my question is, why are we doing this? Like, why are we beefing? Because we are the same color, which is black. We are all Caribbean, and we're not too far away from Jamaica. So what's the deal? And our food is very similar. We just speak different patois, which Jamaicans speak English patois, and us Haitian we speak like French patois. So what's the deal? And I heard the Jamaicans say that, oh, Haiti always, it's always a disaster. So they used to help us because we always have earthquakes and we are the poorest country. Are you for real? Like, why are we doing that? We did not choose to be in this situation. And they say, oh, Haitian eat cats, blah blah blah. So why are we even doing that? Like, how other countries gonna respect us when we acting like a fool on this app? It don't make no sense. If we, I don't know who's looking for clout for views, but this beef, y'all need to cut it out because it don't make no sense. You're just insulting each other. At the end of the day, we are black and we are Caribbean. Period.
What's up everyone? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. And if you've been scrolling through TikTok lately, you might have stumbled upon a heated back and forth between Haitians and Jamaicans. And at this point, I had to sit down and really ask myself, why is this even happening? Like, where did this beef even start? Because if you actually look at history, these two cultures are intertwined in more ways than people realize. When it comes to food, the music, it's all connected. But instead of celebrating that, we are out here debating who's better, who's more authentic, and who did what first. And don't get me wrong, some of the jokes are funny, but when you look at how deep this rivalry is getting, you gotta wonder, is this just harmless fun or is social media making it worse? Let's dive in and find out. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our deep dives into trending topics.
So, my day is sick with the flu, and I have people DMing me talking about, Maggie, you see what happened between Haiti and Jamaica, you see what going on? And the reason people are DMing me and asking me this is because my parents are from Haiti, I grew up in Jamaica, and my little brother is Jamaican. So, I'm definitely like in the middle right now. But all I want to say is that I noticed that you have some people on this app who, for the sake of clout and followers, they will make up some dumb challenges. Because I heard this started off of some dumb challenge that one Haitian girl started, and then other people followed or whatever. And now we have this feud between my fellow Jamaicans and my Haitian folks. And all I can say is, for those who know better, do better. Don't get caught up in this stupidness. It really makes us look dumb when 1 minute we want to be standing up and talking about colonialism and how it affects our country, or we're talking about reparations, and then in the same breath we go turn around and shit on each other. That literally makes no sense, and probably one of the reasons we never get taken seriously, because it doesn't take a lot for us to be divided. And from the video that the girl did, it was very dumb. You know yourself, goodie. All I can say is find better things for do with your time, because this was not it. This was so unnecessary. And on know so the Jamaicans go answer one thing, me would want a Jamaican shame me or get in an argument with a Jamaican, because when them ready, them ready. And I know my Haitians, them have them hot mouth too, but boy, it unnecessary, guys. It's so unnecessary. Like literally right now, two our countries have got through certain things, like economically, like all of these things that we're currently experiencing in our countries is due to the same common denominator. And if we haven't reached to a point where we can stand together, we literally not gonna have nothing solved. It's just gonna continue the same. We're going to continue shit on each other over issues that we didn't create in the first place. Mind you, we're shitting on each other over issues that was created by other people, oppressors, and by corrupt governments. And then we are proud of that. Like, that's nothing to be proud of, y'all. So anyways, for those who know better, gonna just do better. Don't allow this to bring out some inner, discrimination that you might have. Don't allow it to bring that out of you because you're upset. Put your anger towards that one girl and just let's call it a day. And goodie, if you didn't know what good for you, delete the video. Delete it, Sherry, okay? Thank you, Sherry. Delete the video.
So I want to talk about this beef that's going on between Jamaica and Haiti. First, I want to say this to our Haitian family. Listen, guys. Honestly, we Jamaicans, we're just taking this for a joke. I think most Jamaicans are taking this for a joke. Even the videos that seem extreme with how they're coming at you, but believe me when I tell you that that's just who we are as a people. We'll take jokes overboard every single time. Like a Jamaican will joke you to death and hurt your feelings in every single way, and they are not serious. Like they're literally joking and they're taking your life events and giving you a joke with it. And that's kind of just who we are as a people. We're always taking things overboard. And if you go low, we're gonna go lower, and we're always gonna hit below the belt. And I'm sorry, because that's just who we are. And I'm almost sure no Jamaicans are taking this beef for real. Like we're not taking this for real. And then but then, like some of the jokes, my people, come on. Una really thinks that some of the joke they're necessary. Una really and truly I gotta tell the people them say next year hurricane I gotta go cover them place. Come on, man. It's like we are manifest disaster for the people them. Wanna stop it. Even though it was funny, me watch a whole thing and it was funny and blah blah blah. But come on, we cannot talk about the people them state of them country like them a go through something right now and we are use it a clown them. Una na nice. But I swear to y'all Asians, listen to me. We're not serious. We just always take things overboard. Jamaicans, we are very disrespectful. We're gonna disrespect you in every single way, and then we're gonna laugh it off and move on.
So I wake up this morning with this thing going on online about Asians, Jamaicans. Like, where did this start? Where it come from? I really don't know. But I think Jamaican within themselves need to look in themselves, especially the younger generation of people who don't know nothing. They like to quickly say Haiti is poor, Haiti do voodoo and all of that. So you mean to tell me you hate a country because them do voodoo and because them poor and you talk bad about the country? It doesn't make sense. I think Jamaica is one of the countries that is so loved internationally. All over the world people love Jamaica because of Bob Marley, because Bob Marley spread love, peace, and people just accept us as that and treat us accordingly. But for me, living in the days of internet, you could see that how ignorant people are, especially younger generation, like really how ignorant they are. Like you're bashing a whole country just because them poor and them work voodoo and whatever. Like make it make sense, y'all.
I know it might be surprising for you, and probably you're asking yourself, why are Haitians and Jamaicans even fighting in the first place? Especially when history shows that these two cultures are so deeply connected. I mean, think about it. Both have strong African roots, both have fought for their freedoms, and both have influenced the Caribbean in major ways. Yet, here we are, watching them go at it on social media. So before we continue, I want you all to hear what this lady had to say because she brings up real points about why this whole beef might not even make sense. Check this out.
There's an intimate connection between Haiti and Jamaica. Although these two nations have their own unique history and culture, they are conjoined, bound together by shared experiences, united not only through history, but also by blood. One can argue that these two nations have one of the deepest connections in the Caribbean. Both Haiti and Jamaica are derived from the original Taino names given to our islands, Haiti and Jamaica. That's because the original inhabitants of Haiti, Jamaica, and several countries throughout the Caribbean were the Taino people. Now today, these two countries have the highest concentration of Afro-Caribbeans in the world. But even before the first Africans were brought over to the region, the Tainos united these two islands, and the close proximity of them made the connection that much deeper.
You see, this is exactly what I was saying. Haitians and Jamaicans are way more alike than different, but sometimes we get caught up in the little things and forget the bigger picture. And let's be real, social media loves to stir things up. You find that a joke turns into an argument, a small debate turns into a war, and suddenly people start thinking there's a real animosity. But for sure, all I can say is it's undeniable. Haiti and Jamaica share a history of resilience, culture, and influence that runs deep. And whether it's the struggle for independence, the music, the food, or even just the way they move as people, The connection is there. Now, that's not to say folks can't joke around and rep their culture. That's part of what makes us who we are. But let's not forget, when it really matters, we stand together, and that's what counts. So, tell me, do you think this feud is just social media hype, or is there something deeper going on? But as for me, I don't think so. Anyway, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye, and thanks for watching.